I asked ChatGPT a question about my business and it got it completely wrong. Not because ChatGPT is bad, because ChatGPT doesn't know anything about my business. It only knows what's on the internet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why that's a problem and how to fix it in under 5 minutes using a free tool called RagmyAI. So your AI gives you accurate answers based on your information, not generic internet data. Let me show you what I mean. ChatGPT is great for general questions, but what about your internal documents, your policies, your SOPs, your private data? ChatGPT can't access those. In this video, I'll show you how to give AI access to your private documents so it can answer questions ChatGPT never could. ChatGPT was trained on internet data up to a certain date. It knows a lot about the world in general, but it doesn't know about your business, your documents, or your customers unless you paste that information into every single conversation. That's where RagmyAI is different. Instead of a general AI that knows everything loosely, RagmyAI is a focused AI that knows your content precisely. You upload your document once and it answers based on exactly what's in it every time. I'm uploading the same FAQ document that contains the actual answers about this product. RagmyAI reads it and indexes every line. Look at that. It pulled the exact questions from the FAQ document. Not guessing, not hallucinating, reading directly from the source. Precise, accurate, based on the actual document. The correct answer, straight from the pricing section of the FAQ. Step by step, exactly as written in the document. ChatGPT gave me a generic answer. RagmyAI gives me the right answer. This is the fundamental difference. ChatGPT knows the internet. RagmyAI knows your content. For anything generic, writing emails, brainstorming ideas, explaining concepts, ChatGPT is great. But for anything specific to your business, your documents, or your customers, you need an AI that's trained on your actual information. That's exactly what RagmyAI does, and it's completely free. Quick summary of when to use which. Use ChatGPT for general tasks, writing, brainstorming, explaining things. Use RagmyAI when accuracy matters, customer support, internal knowledge bases, research, anything where the answer needs to come from a specific document. They're not competing tools. They solve different problems. Try RagmyAI yourself at ragmyai.com. Upload any document and see the difference. Completely free, no credit card needed. Subscribe if you want more practical AI tutorials every week. And drop a comment. What document would you train your AI on first? I read every reply. See you in the next one.